Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Rao Malya, consultant dermatologist and cosmetologist at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic, Calicut. Today we are going to talk about carbon peel facial, which is also known as Hollywood peel or China doll laser facial. This is an innovative laser resurfacing treatment. Here at Dr. Neha Skin Clinic, we use world-class US FDA approved Pico lasers. Pico laser is an innovative laser treatment which uses the focused light beams to treat the skin in imperfections. What are the effects of carbon peel or carbon facial? It regulates the skin tone. Along with that, it helps in the treatment of decongested skin. It also removes the pigmentation of the skin, which develops from a number of different reasons, including sun damage, inflammation, hormonal changes, acne, and reaction to some medications. How does the carbon peel work? Initially, we apply a thin layer of carbon to the skin surface. Once the carbon preparation is evenly distributed, a focused light beam is administered for a precise targeted area. The carbon particles actively absorb the light. The simultaneous generation of the thermal energy stimulates the synthesis of fresh collagen and the promotion of a healthy looking complexion. Carbon peel facial is an emerging cosmetic procedure which is widely accepted for its non-invasive properties and the pronounced outcomes. What are the benefits of carbon peel? Carbon peel cleanses the face. How? When we apply the carbon gets absorbed into the cells and carbon absorbs excess oil and contaminates from the deep pores which are destroyed once the laser is passed over the treated area. Laser is effective as it destroys the contaminated carbon particles. It also exfoliates dead skin cells. As mentioned, the carbon gets destroyed by the laser. It also rejuvenates the skin. The carbon also stimulates the collagen production in the skin, which helps in getting a plumper, firmer and wrinkle-free skin with a very natural glow on the skin. It also causes the destruction of acne and removes excess oil, and also helps in shrinking of the sebaceous gland which produce excess oils. Carbon peel also smoothens and brightens the skin. It also causes deep exfoliation of the skin. So this facial is said to be specifically advantageous for people with oily skin. It also lightens age spots, dark spots, sunspots and freckles. It also helps in lifting and tightening the skin. The advanced carbon peel rejuvenation is a suitable treatment for those looking to improve the skin's elasticity. So this carbon peel also lifts and tightens the skin. This procedure is also useful to moisturize the skin, and it gives a skin a plump and a radiant appearance. And it also gives a even tone to the skin. As the laser perforates through the deeper layers of the skin, it is thought to prompt up the production of collagen, leaving the skin firmer, lighter, brighter and more youthful looking radiant skin. What are the side effects of carbon peel facial? We can say that the carbon peel side effects are minimal or even negligible. The commonest side effect being slight redness or a tingling sensation which can last for a few minutes or a few hours to the maximum. Is carbon peel painful? No. Carbon peel is a very comfortable procedure. The maximum a patient will experience is a slight tingling and warmth on the skin. So what are the do's and don'ts of carbon peel facial before and after the procedure? Avoid sun exposure or any other form of tanning prior to a carbon peel facial. Use a sunscreen of a minimum of SPF 30 plus every day. After the treatment, avoid heat or going into the direct sunlight or excessive sweating for at least 48 hours. Must not use any active skincare product for 24 to 48 hours post-treatment. The first step of carbon peel facial is cleansing. We clean the face with a cleanser or a cleansing pad. This is to remove all the dirt or the makeup which the patient will be having on the face. Next, we apply a thin layer of carbon all around the face. The layer of carbon is evenly spread on the face. After spreading, we need to wait for a couple of minutes so that the carbon gets absorbed into the layers of the skin. This laser machine is a USFDA approved Pico laser, which is one of its kind in Calicut. This machine, we use it for carbon peel facial and also for tattoo removal, freckles removal, and removal of all sorts of pigments, skin rejuvenation, skin tightening. Now we're going to demonstrate the carbon peel facial procedure. Before starting the procedure, the eyes of the patient and eyes of the doctor are covered with the glasses. And now we are going to shoot the laser shots. This is comparatively a painless treatment. The patient will be comfortable. The maximum she is going to experience is slight tingling or a feeling of warmth. As we fire the laser shots, the carbon gets blasted away. So the carbon takes the impurities, the dead cells, the pigments along with it when it gets blasted. As a final step of the carbon peel, we apply a soothing sheet mask on the face. So in case if the patient has any redness or any irritation, it will get soothed with this mask.
Hi, my name is Avantika. So lately I've been fighting with acne and scars on my face. That's when I met Dr. Neha, and then she told me about this carbon peeling treatment, and this is my second session of the carbon peeling treatment, and you can clearly see the difference and the glow on my face, and this has given me a great result. Firstly, I couldn't believe it after the first sitting, and now it's been the second sitting and I can clearly see the difference on my face. Thank you, Dr. Neha.
Post procedure, a sunscreen is given to the patient to be applied on the face before stepping out into the sun.